Keep your garden in check this month with Life's a Garden's simple yet essential tasks. Start by giving your annuals a little TLC with deadheading. Remove any spent blooms to make room for fresh flowers, keeping your garden bursting with color. While you're at it, prune any overgrown shrubs to shape them. This helps your plants stay healthy and looking their best all season long. Mulching is a must this month as it conserves moisture and keeps your soil cool. Organic mulches like shredded garden waste, bark chips, leaf mold, or even compost will protect your plants, reduce weed growth, and improve your soil quality as they decompose. Don't forget to mulch pots and hanging baskets too, not just your garden beds. It's a great way to keep all your plants hydrated and happy. Now, let's get planting. For your veggie patch, sow some cabbage, carrots, and spring onions. They're easy to grow and perfect for the cooler months ahead. In your herb garden, try fennel, rocket, and flat leaf parsley. These herbs not only pack a punch of flavor for your meals, but they also attract pollinators that help your garden grow. And last, but definitely not least, fertilize. Give your plants a boost by adding a slow-released, balanced fertilizer. This ensures they have all the nutrients they need to keep growing strong and healthy. By staying on top of these tasks, your garden will stay in the green throughout every season. Find everything you need to check off your gardening list at your local GCA Garden Centre. Visit lifeisagarden.co.za to locate a GCA Garden Centre near you.